Because of its capacity to engage with people in an incredibly realistic manner, OpenAI's ChatGPT has sparked debate on a variety of sites since its debut. Nevertheless, very few of them are aware that it was designed for the poorest people on the planet. According to newly published papers, ChatGPT was developed with the help of people from some of the world's poorest communities. The OpenAI company began collaborating with Sama, a non-profit organization that employs millions of people from the world's poorest regions. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex and many more. While you are already here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video. Sama employs people from the world's poorest regions for ChatGPT. The social company Sama employs millions of people from the world's poorest countries, including Kenya, Uganda, and India. Numerous employees have complained about the organization's excessive hours and low compensation, and the corporation has previously been chastised for its working conditions. OpenAI, on the other hand, has justified its decision to engage with Sama by arguing that the company provides much-needed employment possibilities to employees who would otherwise live in poverty. OpenAI employs Kenyan workers for less than $2 per hour. OpenAI, the creator of the famous AI chatbot ChatGPT, has been accused of utilizing underpaid Kenyan labor to secure it. According to a Time investigation, Kenyan laborers were paid less than $2 per hour to filter through massive volumes of graphic information in order to help create a program that flags hazardous content. The sensitive photos and language were then used to train ChatGPT to avoid giving incorrect responses. This work was completed by Sama, a San Francisco-based corporation. Sama labels data for companies in Silicon Valley like as Google, Meta, and Microsoft by recruiting workers in Kenya, Uganda, and India. Several data labelers have allegedly endured severe emotional anguish as a result of their employment, with one employee characterizing his job as hell on earth. Sama was accused of violations of privacy and dignity. Sama, a business that advertises itself as providing ethical AI, has already come under criticism. Yet, it is criticized for how it treats staff who monitor harmful content for internet behemoths such as Facebook. Sama was revealed as Meta's local outsourcing business last year in a petition. Employees filtering Facebook posts, on the other hand, were exposed to irregular pay and inadequate mental health care. Also, union busting and violations of their privacy and dignity. Have you tried the ChatGPT AI model yet? What is your opinion about AI? Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and also don't forget to let us know how you feel about the video. See you in another video. Until then, take care and keep investing in crypto.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.